Hello everyone, you are welcome to this class. In this class, we want to look at equations involving fractions. And we have these examples that we want you to practice. And we have done the introduction to it and how to solve fractions. We've done the equation involving brackets and so on and so forth. So but for this class, we quickly want to look at equations involving fractions. So let's look at this. We have this example. I wrote these examples now so that we can have enough examples that we can solve on this topic. So that no matter how the question is being framed, we should be able to solve equation involving some fractions. So that's what we want to look at. So let's start with the first one. The first question we have here. So we have this 2 divided by 3x minus 8 equals what? 5. Now, anytime you have equation involving fractions, so the first thing we look at the fraction, how many fractions do we have here? We only have one word, fraction. So in that case, this is not a fraction, this is not a fraction. So what we are going to do, let's take the other one to the other side. This minus 8, let's take it to the other side. While this is a fraction, let's write it as a full fraction. In that case, we're going to have 2x all over 3 minus 8 equals what? 5. So the next thing is, you can see this is a fraction. This minus 8. What we're going to do to remove this minus 8 is to add 8 to both sides. When we add 8 to this one will disappear. It will go. That is minus 8 plus 8 will give us 0. So this becomes 0. Then this will, because we are adding 8 to this, we also add 8 to this. Is that clear? So, but instead of saying add 8 to it, just move the 8 to the other side. Because it's crossing the equation at the sign note, you change to what? Plus. So that means we're going to have 2x over 3 equals to 5 plus what? Plus 8. I hope I'm making sense. So from here, we can then have 2x over 3 equals 13. Now this is a fraction. This is a whole number. So we can make this whole number a fraction as well. So that, or we want to remove the fraction. What we have as denominator is 3. So what you just need to do is to multiply both sides by what? By the denominator. So we just say multiply both sides by what? By 3. Is that clear? Or when you make this one a fraction, you cross multiply. This 3 will multiply this. This 1 will multiply this. So when you have 2x divided by 3 multiplied by 3, this 3 will cancel this 3. That's the essence of multiply both sides by 3. Then we have 13 multiplied by 3 as well. So we then have 2x equals to 3 times 3, 9. Then we have 39. I hope I'm making sense. So that is not all. So what we are looking for is x. We want to solve for x. We divide both sides by what? By 2. That divide this by 2, divide this by 2. This cancels this. Then we have x equals to 2 here, 1. 2 remainder 1, that is 9. Whole number 1 all over what? All over 2. How this very clear. So I change this one to mixed number. 2 in 1 will give you what? 1. So remainder 1, that gives what? 19. 2 in 19 gives you 9. That is 18. It remains what? 1. 1 over 2. So that is the answer. The value of x is what? 19 whole number 1 over 2. That's that for the first question. Now go to the next question. Number 2. Question number 2, we have 2x plus 5 divided by 3 equals to 5 equals to 4 equals to 4. This is example 2. You notice the same thing. What we did here at this stage, it's the same thing we're going to do here. So we're going to cancel the denominator. We want to remove the fraction. So the denominator is what? 3 here. So in this case, we also multiply both sides by what? By 3. So we say multiply both sides by what? By 3. We're going to have 2x plus 5 divided by 3 multiplied by 3 equals to 4 times 3. So by doing so, these 3 will cancel these 3. That's the essence of multiply both sides by 3. So we then have 2x plus 5 equals to what? 12. 4 times 3 is what? 12. As you can see now, this has turned to normal simple equation. So the next stage, we have done something similar to this before. So we just collect like that, or you subtract 5 from both sides. That means we have 2x equals to 12 minus 5. That is 2x equals to what? 12 minus 5 is what? 7. So it is 2 that x we're looking for. We divide both sides by 2 by 2. 2 cancel 2. Then x equals to 2 in 7 is 3. 1 all over what? All over 2. So that is the value of what? X of equation number 2. Then go to question number 3 now. For question 3, we have 3x minus 2 divided by 2 minus 2x plus 1 divided by 3, everything equals to 2. So you can see this one, we have two fractions. Two fractions here. This, the first one, the second one, and denominator are whole numbers. So what we are going to do, we're going to simplify it. We're going to make these two fractions a single fraction. That will be the first thing. When you have equation involving fraction and the fraction is more than 1, so the first thing you need to do, bring the fractions together, make it a single fraction. That means we are going to simplify this. So find the LCM of the denominators first. You can do that to find the LCM of the denominator first. We have so many ways of doing it. We can decide to say, let's find the LCM of the denominators. So when you find the LCM, you now multiply each of the 10 by the what? The LCM. So that the fraction will be what? Cancelled. But let's take a look at the first step first. First method. So the LCM of 2 and 3 is what? 6. So with that, how many 2 can we see in 6? We have how many? 3. So the 3 multiplied by the numerator, that will be 3 into bracket 3x minus 2. Then we close it. Minus, how many 3 can we see in 6? That is 2. 2 multiplied by everything, and that will be 2 into bracket 2x plus what? Plus 1. I hope this is very clear. So from here, we'll be able to what? We have made it a single fraction. The next thing is for us to now open these brackets. So we open it by saying 3 times 3x, that gives us 9x. 3 times minus 2, that gives us minus 6. Minus 2x times 2x, that is what? 4x. Minus 2 times plus 1, that gives us minus what? 2. Everything divided by what? 6 equals to what? Equals to 2. So let's simplify this. Simplifying this now, we have 9x minus 4x. That gives us what? 5x. Minus 6 minus 2, that gives us minus 8. Divided by 6 equals to what? 2. So the same thing, we can multiply both sides by 6 so that we cancel out this. So when we multiply both sides, multiply both sides by what? By 6. You have 5x minus 8 divided by 6 multiplied by 6, then 2 multiplied by 6. This cancels this. We have 5x minus 8 equals what? 4. I hope this is very clear. So from here we can say 5x equals to 12 plus what? Plus 8. That is 5x equals to what? 20 divided both sides by 5. Therefore, x equals to 4. So that is first step. So we can as well do it in another form, and you see we're going to get the same answer. So what we're going to do is that we'll find the LCM. Now see which one is faster. Then adopt the one that is best for you. So what we're going to do, we find the LCM of the denominator, and the LCM is what? 6. So we now say multiply each term by the LCM, which is what? By 6. So which means we are saying 3x minus 2 over 2 times 6 minus 2x plus 1 over 3 times what? 6. Then equals what? 2 times 6. 2 here 1, 2 here what? 3. 3 here 1, 3 here what? 2. So these 3 will multiply everything here. That gives us 9x minus what? 4 minus 2 will multiply everything. That will be 4x then minus 2. equals what? 12. So 9x minus 4x gives us what? 5x. Then minus 4, sorry, this is supposed to be minus 6. 2 times 3, that's minus 6 minus 2 gives minus 8 equals what? 12. That is 5x equals to 12 plus 8. That is 5x. 5x equals to 20. Divide both sides by 5. Then x equals to 4. You can simply get the same answer. Alright? So that is that for question number 3. Then move to question number 4 now. 4 we have 3 over 2x plus 1 over 6x equals to 2 over 3. So what you see here, you notice that the fractions, the denominators are not whole numbers, they are algebra, right? So this is 2x, not 92, this is 6x. So what you are going to do is the same thing. So you can decide to make this side a single fraction, right? Make this a single fraction, or you find the LCM of the denominators, L denominators. So you want to find the LCM of everything here. The LCM of 2x, 6x, and 3 will be what? 6x. So this is it. You have this. You can do this way as well. This is 2x, 6x, and 3. 2 can go here, it makes x. 3x, 3. 3 can go x, x, 1. Then x can go 1, 1, 1. 2 times 3 is 6. Then that is 6x. So we're now going to say multiply. That's the first thing. The first method. Multiply each term by what? 6x. So that means we are saying 3 divided by 2x multiplied by 6x plus 1 over 6x multiplied by what? 6x. Then 2 over 3 multiplied by what? 6x. So x we cancel x. 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 3. X cancel x. 6 cancel 6. 3 here 1, 3 here 2x. So 3 times 3, that is 9, plus 1, alright, equals to what? This is 2x. 2x times this will give us what? 4x. I hope I'm making sense. Alright? So that means we have 10 equals to what? 4x. We divide both sides by what? By 4. So 4 cancel 4. So 2 here 5, 2 here 2. That means x equal to 5 over 2, which equal to 2.5. Now let's now adopt another method and see what we're going to get. So let's add it. So we have 1,001 ways of doing math problem. It depends on you, without pick which one you want to adopt. So this one we have there, 3 over 2x plus 1 over 6x equals to 2 over 3. So find the LCM of this. The LCM of this is 6x. 6x divided by 2x gives 3. 3 times 3, 9. Plus 6x divided by 6x, that is what? 1. 1 times 1 is 1, equals to what? 2 over 3. So this means 10 over 6x equals to 2 over 3. Cross multiply. Once you cross multiply, you're going to have 2 times 6x, that gives us 12x equals to what? 30. So divide both sides by 12. This cancels this. X equals to 6 can go here 5. 6 can go here. That's 5 over 2. That gives 2.5. See the same thing is what we got here. I hope this is very clear. So that is that on question number 4. So let's look at question number 5 now. Question 5. For question 4, we have 2x minus 5 divided by 4 minus 6x divided by 2 equals to 0. Now, this as well, we can do it in 2 ways. We can do it in 2 ways. So if you want to do it, you find the LCM of this, make it a single fraction and move on. Or you take this to the other side. Since what you have here is 0, you can take this to the other side, so which will make it 2x minus 5 divided by 4 equals to this is it becomes plus it. That will be 6x all over 2. Is that clear? So from here you can cross multiply. This multiply by this multiply by this. So that means we're going to have 4 times 6x. This will give us 24x. then 2 into bracket 2x minus 5. So that is 24x equals to 4x minus 10. So that means we have 24x, collect like terms, minus 4x equals to minus 10. I hope I'm making sense. So this will give us 20x equals to what? Minus 10. So it is x we are looking for, divide both sides by minus by 20. So this cancel this, then x will then be equal to 0, cancel it, that's minus 1, which is r. How this is clear? Alright, so that is that on question number 5. And we can use another method to solve this apart from this. So what is the method? Let's quickly look at this. Because we must know as many as possible methods to solve a particular question. So that we have this 6x over 2 equals to 0. So what you are going to do here, find the LCM of 4 and 2. So that gives you what? 4. 4 in 4 is 1. That's multiplied by this, that's 2x minus 5. Minus 2 in 4 is 2. 2 times this gives us what? 12x. I hope I'm making sense. Alright? So equals to what? 0. So we can then make this over 1 cross multiply. So you have 2x minus 12x. That gives us minus 10x minus 5 equals to 4 times 0 is what? 0. I hope I'm making sense. So what we're going to do now, we collect like terms. So when you collect like terms, you're going to have minus 10x equals to what? 5. This is coming here, it becomes plus. Alright? So that is minus 10. We divide both sides by what? Minus 10. Minus 10. This cancels this. Then x equals what? Minus 1 all over 2. You see the same thing with this. I hope this is clear. Alright, so let's look at the last question here on the equations involving what? Fraction. Which is question number 6. So let's have it under it. So what you notice with this question is very straightforward. You can also adopt the method that we adopted. So it's either you cross multiply, you can cross multiply straight, or you find the LCM of the denominators and multiply by each 10, you get the same answer. So when you cross multiply, with this you multiply, that is 4 into bracket what? 4x minus 1 equals to 3 into bracket what? 2x what? Minus 5. So we then open the brackets. So this will give us 16x minus 4 equals to what? 6x minus what? Minus 15. So we collect like terms, right? So collecting like terms, we are saying 16x minus 6x equals to minus 15 plus 4. Alright, so 16x minus 6x gives us what? 10x equals to what? Minus what? 11. So we divide both sides by what? By 10. By 10. Therefore, x equals to what? 1 whole minus equals to minus 1 whole number 1 all over what? 10. That's the value of x. Then if you want to adopt another method, very simple. To confirm your answer, so you have 4x minus 1 divided by 3 equals to 2x minus 5 divided by 4. So what is the LCM of this denominator? Is 12. So what we're going to do, we multiply each 10 by what? By 12. That means we have 4x minus 1 over 3 times 12 equals to what? 12x minus 5 over 4 times 12 times 12. 3 here 1, 3 here 4. 4 here 1, 4 here 3. So 4 times this give us what? 16x minus 4 equals to what? 6x minus what? 15. So collect like term, 16x minus 6x equals to what? Minus 15 plus 4. So this is 10x equals what? Minus 11. Which is the same thing here. We have it. So divide this out by 10 by 10. So x equals to 1 minus 1 number 1 over 10. Which is the same thing. So I hope this is very clear. So that is that on equations involving fractions. So this is where we're going to stop in this video. In our next video, we want to look at what problems leading to what? fractions. So we'll look at all aspects leading to equations, simple equations that involve fraction, and so on and so forth. So what can work for them on that equation? I hope this is very clear. So if you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to give us a very big thumb up, and make sure once you subscribe to our channel, if you are new to this channel, and make sure you put on your notification bell so that anytime I release video like this, you get access to it. So meet in our next video. Bye for now.